The aim of this video is to answer question 14. A flying doctor plane flies from its base in a direction of 072 degrees true for 80 kilometers. I'm going to start there first. I usually call the place where I start A, which is the base. And you go 070 degrees true, so you're drawing your compass rose. There's north. 72 degrees, kind of there. Distance being travelled 80 kilometers. You get to a new place called B. From there, the flying doctor travels direction 162 degrees true. Again, compass rose north, and then 162, so that's 90, kind of there somewhere. But this distance is double the previous one, so draw it significantly longer, like in double the distance. So you write there 162 degrees and distance 160 kilometers. Now get to a new place, C, where the hospital is. Join A and C. First question, how far is the hospital from the base? Call it X. So that is distance AC is what I need to calculate. In order to work out AC, I'm just going to draw in green a few right angle triangles. Drawing in one here, I'm just going to call that point D. Why do I want this triangle? Because X is on the hypotenuse of this triangle. At the same time, I'm going to complete another triangle here. Call that point E. And then another one here at the outer edge there at the top. Call that F. And then I'm going to start working out all the sides that I can. So if I start with triangle EAB. So E, A, and B. I know that's 72 degrees. I know that's 80 kilometers. Let's call EB X1 and EA Y1. Now I want to work out X1 and Y1. So I'm going to use trigonometry. So, there's a 90 degree at E. So opposite that is hypotenuse. Opposite the 72 degrees is O. Next to it is A. So when I write down Soha, Kaha, Toha, and I have hypotenuse, so I can tick H. Then I'm first going to deal in green. In green, if I want to work out X1, it's the opposite. So I tick opposite, opposite. So I'm going to use sine. So I write sine of 72 degrees equals opposite, which is X1. Hypotenuse is 80. To backtrack divide by 80, I multiply by 80. So I'll get 80 sine 72 degrees equals X1. Follow the same process to work out Y1, but this time I will use yellow because Y is the adjacent side. So adjacent and hypotenuse gives me cosine. Then I will get cos 72 degrees is adjacent, Y1. Hypotenuse is 80. Backtrack divide by 80. So I'll get 80 cos 72 degrees is Y1. Now I'm going to use the same process. Move on to the next triangle, BFC. So B, F, and C. F is where the 90 degrees sits. I know the hypotenuse is 160. And now I want this inner angle at B. And that would be 162 take away 90. So 162 degrees take 90 degrees is 72 degrees. Then I can label trigonometry, hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. Label the unknown sides to be the vertical one, y2, the horizontal one, x2. Now I write down Soha, Kaha, Toha. And I now tick the H because I have the hypotenuse. Then if I want to work out x2, I'll do it in blue. I am adjacent together with the hypotenuse. which means I can use cosine. So I can go cos 72 degrees is adjacent, which is x2, hypotenuse, which is 160, backtrack divide by 160 by multiplying by 160. So you get 160 cos 72 degrees is x2. Now if I want to work out y2, I'll do that in green. y2, that is the opposite together with the hypotenuse. Thus I can use sine. So I can write sine 72 degrees equals opposite y2, hypotenuse, which is 160. Backtrack divide by 160 by multiplying. Thus you get 160 times by sine 72 degrees gives you y2. Good. Now I can finally get to triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, so that's A, D, and C. That's 190 degree. That's the x I'm looking for to answer part A. Is I am now knowing that AD is the difference between, so look carefully, I'll take the difference between FC and EA. Now FC we've already written down. FC is y2 and FA is called, or EA, sorry, is called y1. So I take the difference between those two values. So I'll go y2, take y1, and DC will similarly be just the addition of, I just want to highlight that here for you, EB plus BF. And EB and BF, so EB x1, BF x2. So that's x1 plus x2. So let's put that in, and then I'm going to use Pythagoras. That's the hypotenuse C, that's A, that's B. So I can go, according to Pythagoras, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So x squared equals, so A is y2 take y1 squared. B is x1 plus x2 squared. Backtrack the square by taking square root. So I'll go x equals square root of y2 minus y1 squared plus x1 plus x2 squared. Now just put everything into your calculator. y2 is 160 sine 70. 72 degrees minus y1, which is 80 cos 72 degrees squared, plus then x1 is 80 sine 70 degrees, and that is x1 plus x2, which is 160 cos 72 degrees, close bracket squared, and a square root goes over all of that. You type it into your calculator in one go. That works out to be 2 decimal places, 178.89. Thus, the hospital is 178.89 kilometers from the base. Now I'm going to go to part B. What's a true bearing from the hospital to the base? Well, to answer that, we have the following information already. So yet A is the base, C is the hospital, that's 90 degree, that's D. That's y2 minus y1, x1 plus x2. I want this angle theta to answer that because here is the north. And I want to go back to the base. And our y1 equals 80 cos 72 degrees. Just writing down all the values from the previous screen. y2 is 160 sine 72. x1 is 80 sine 72 degrees. And x2 is equal to 160 cos 72 degrees. So I label first trigonometry, hypotenuse, that's opposite, that's adjacent. Write down soha, kaha, toha. And I have O and A, so I can tick O and A. So I'm clearly looking at tan. So I can go tan of theta equals opposite, which is y2 take y1. Adjacent is x1 plus x2. Backtrack tan by going tan inverse of y2 take y1 over x1 plus x2. Now type it in one go. So you go tan inverse, vinculum, y2, which is 160, sine 72 degrees, minus y1, which is 80 cos 72 degrees. The denominator x1, 80 sine 72 degrees, and x2, which is 160 cos 72 degrees. Type that in, and the requirements of the question was to the nearest minute. So after you've done this on a TI 84 plus CE, you need to go second angle and use option 4 DMS. The calculator will then give you the following answer: 45 degrees, 26 minutes, and 5.816 seconds. So if I round to the nearest minute, those 5 seconds are less than 30, so I ignore them. I will round down. So it's 45 degrees, 26 minutes, but I want a bearing. And to do a true bearing, I start at north, go all the way to line AC. So that's 270 degrees that needs to be added. So if I go 270 degrees plus theta, I will add the 45 degrees and 26 minutes, and that will give me 315 degrees and 26 minutes. Don't forget the T for true. So thus, the bearing from the hospital to the base is 315 degrees and 26 minutes true. Thank you.